Today I'm going to tell you a story that started with exploitation, led to a revolt, and finally resulted in a revolution that gave the world a superpower. No, I am not talking about the freedom struggle of India, but about the taste of India. At this point, I am pretty sure that you said it out loud. Amul, the taste of India. बात उस समय की है जब हमारा देश आजादी के लिए लड़ रहा था और गुजरात के एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट कायरा के डेयरी फार्मर्स अपने एक्सप्लॉयटेशन के खिलाफ लड़ रहे थे। उस वक्त ब्रिटिश सरकार ने पॉल्सन डेयरी को मानो पूरी मोनोपोली दे दी थी और गुजरात के गांव से जो दूध कलेक्ट किया जाता था वो बॉम्बे में पॉल्सन ब्रांड के नाम से बेच दिया जाता था। The farmers went on a strike, and with inspiration from the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and under the leadership of Tribhuvan Das Patel, the farmers set up the Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union. Finally, the British government gave in and allowed the Kaira Cooperative to sell all their milk directly to the Bombay market. And in the year 1946, the dairy farmers became independent. However, they did face one too many problems while processing and safely transporting the milk to Bombay. इन डेयरी फार्मर्स की प्रॉब्लम्स का सॉल्यूशन लेकर आया एक आदमी, वर्गीस क्यूरियन। As a young man, Curien wanted to go to the US to study metallurgical and nuclear engineering, but the only available scholarship was the dairy engineering, and Curien took it and went to the US. In 1948, when he returned to India, since the government had spent money on his education, he was given a choice: either work in the public sector or pay rupees 30,000. The amount that the government had spent on him. Of course, he did not have the money at the time, so he was sent off to Gujarat to work at a government creamery. And that is where he met Tribhuvan Das Patel. Slowly, the two formed a friendship. And eventually, Patel convinced him to stay back. Working with his batchmate from the US, H.M. Dalaya, he managed to turn things around for the cooperative and even managed to do something revolutionary: making milk powder from buffalo milk, something that nobody in the world had been able to do. Starting with a milk production of 200 liters per day in 1946, the cooperative was producing 20,000 liters of milk per day by 1952. Soon, they were not only able to sell their milk but also turn the surplus milk into milk powder, thus competing with international brands like Nestle. In 1955, they changed the name of the cooperative to Amul. It stood for Anand Milk Union Limited. And in 1956, when the first Amul dairy plant was to be inaugurated, it was done by none other than Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. अब अमूल एक ऐसी मिसाल बन चुका था और यहाँ से शुरू हुई अमूल की असली ग्रोथ। देश भर से लोग इस डेयरी को विजिट कर रहे थे और इससे सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। अमूल के इस कोऑपरेटिव मॉडल को त्रिभुवन दास और क्यूरियन ने गुजरात के दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भी इम्प्लीमेंट करना शुरू किया। 1970 में लाल बहादुर शास्त्री की लीडरशिप में क्यूरियन और अमूल ने ऑपरेशन फ्लड पर काम शुरू किया। इस ऑपरेशन का लक्ष्य था देश में दूध की बाढ़ लाना, और ऐसा ही हुआ। आज हम दुनिया में सबसे आगे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ टोटल मिल्क प्रोडक्शन। इस क्रांति से न सिर्फ इंडिया का नाम रोशन हुआ मगर देश भर के डेयरी फार्मर्स का भी फायदा हुआ। In 1973, the Gujarat Cooperative Milk Marketing Federation, or GCMMF, was set up to market all the products made under the Amul brand name. Soon, brands like Amul Butter had become a household name, and our reliance on international brands had nearly vanished. Along with Amul Butter, people all over the country fell in love with the mascot, the utterly butterly girl. In 2016, the Amul Girl completed 50 years, making it one of the longest running ad campaigns in the world. The revolution that Amul brought in was named White Revolution, and this inspired the award-winning filmmaker Shyam Benegal to even make a film about it, called Manthan. When he found it difficult to finance the film, it was Verghese Kurien who came forward and urged the dairy farmers to give 2 rupees each, and in no time, Benegal had enough money to produce the film. फिल्म कमर्शियली तो सक्सेसफुल हुई ही, साथ ही साथ उसे बेस्ट फिल्म का नेशनल अवार्ड भी मिला। वहीं अमूल के प्रोडक्ट्स भी धीरे धीरे लोगों के घर में घर बना रहे थे। दूध और बटर से आगे बढ़कर अमूल ने कई नए प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च किए और काफी सेगमेंट्स में उन्हें सफलता भी मिली। Today, with more than 100 products, Amul is one of the top 10 dairy companies in the world. Amul Butter is the undisputed market leader in India. A few years ago, Amul Butter became the 6th largest butter brand in the world. Not bad for a group of dairy farmers who started off with 200 liters, right? और सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि ग्रोथ और एक्सपेंशन की दौड़ में भी अमूल ने अपने फार्मर्स को हमेशा याद रखा। आज भी करोड़ों का बिजनेस करने वाली ये कंपनी एक कोऑपरेटिव है जो डेयरी फार्मर्स की वजह से और डेयरी फार्मर्स के लिए काम करती है। Dr. Verghese Kurian passed away in 2012, but the dream that he saw for Amul is growing faster and bigger than ever. In his honor, his birthday 26 November is celebrated as National Milk Day. In the years to come, we could see Amul touch new heights and become the leading dairy company in the world. The success of Amul is proof that with determination and cooperation, we can do anything. And that Amul is not just the taste of India, but the pride of India. And sitting at home, if you think you know India, just log on to ZEE5 and play Mind Wars, where you can test your knowledge about various aspects of India.